Welcome back to another 30 questions with Jason Patterson, and we're going to get straight into it. Who is Jason Patterson?
Entrepreneur from North London.
Okay. What got you into property?
My aim was to quit my 9 to 5, so I wanted to not work basically. That's why I went into property, for the passive income.
Okay. Describe your property journey so far to date in 3 words.
Smooth, adventurous, and fulfilling.
Now describe yourself in 3 words.
Quiet, introvert, thinker.
I like that last one, thinker. That's good. Hobbies?
Right, you've got gym, maths private tuition, sleeping.
You like to sleep? You're not part of this 5 a.m. club, are you?
No,
you
not
can't do
for me.
that.
Not for me. I'm more of a night owl anyway.
Okay.
But, yeah.
Night owl. What's your favourite thing to eat?
Macaroni cheese,
That's your favourite?
favourite. I love it.
Okay. What got you into teaching?
The joy of helping people progress, and I love maths. Some people like English, some like are good at art and drawing or languages. Mine, I love maths.
Okay.
What I was born in from primary school. Because even before I knew about maths, I was sitting at the window watching the buses pull up to the terminus, and I was doing a tally chart before I even knew what tally charts were.
Really?
Yeah, that's how bad it was, yeah. And when I
Okay.
got to school, and then eventually they told us, oh, this is a tally chart. I thought, wait a minute, I've been doing this like, for the last 2-3 years at home. But yeah, so I'm in maths.
Natural gift.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Favourite restaurant?
You know what, it's shut down now. It's called Blue Elephant in Chelsea.
Yep.
That's been shut down now. So
What was it?
a Thai.
Okay.
Yeah,
Favourite car?
Bentley.
And you own one?
Yeah, exactly. That was my dream.
That's good. Dream city to visit? Or if you've already been there?
I love Dubai. Got properties in Dubai as well.
I'm
Love
a big Dubai.
Yeah.
That's me.
That's
I'm
alright
all
then.
over Dubai.
See, we'll get on.
Yep. How does the gym help you?
You've got mentally, mental strength, obviously physical as well, health-wise, and socialising. When you're an entrepreneur, a lot of the time, sometimes you work by yourself or with one or 2 people, but at least if you're in the gym, you can also socialise with other people, like school basically, or
Yep.
going into the office.
Okay.
Talk about football, talk about property, talk about work, talk about anything. So every day there's a new topic to talk about, as well as train, and good for your mental health as well.
Okay. First time you met me, what do you think about me in 3 words?
You're cool.
I don't write these questions, you know. The guy behind the camera writes these questions.
Yeah, no, you're cool. You're warm. And what's the word I'm looking for? You're inviting.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like that. I'll take that. Could have said twat, idiot.
Nah,
But no,
too cool.
I like that one. Your 3 favourite people in the property world? And I'll put you on the spot here because he's told me about his little circle he's got. So this is going to be quite interesting.
All right, there's people that I know and some people that I don't know. In the property world, you've got people like, oh, that's a good one actually. All right, obviously you got Ricky Marley, he's coming into your show soon.
Yep.
People that I don't know. Oh my words. You know what? In the property world, I haven't really got any hierarchies.
Okay.
In the world of investment, you could say Warren Buffett.
Yep.
He's my idol.
Yep.
And Steve Jobs.
Okay.
Those 2. And then obviously property-wise, got Ricky Marley.
Yep.
But in terms of property, I follow quite a few people.
Yeah.
Like Property by Kaz, there's yourself, Stephanie Taylor, Rent to Rent. Got Tox, you got Rod, all the Clubhouse people. There's not just one person.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
You kept everybody happy as well.
Yeah.
You kept everybody happy. Very, very smart that was. Right. Favourite strategy, obviously.
Buying properties with short leases.
Okay. Short lease king.
Yeah.
Short lease king. Remember I said that? Your favourite project so far?
Was when I converted. Basically, I bought a flat above a shop. I was always saying, nah, I don't want to do it, don't want to do it. And then the agent said to me, look, just buy this one, you won't regret it. Service charge was double the amount. But what I managed to do was convert it from 1 bed to a 2 bed. It had a short lease, extended the lease, and also refurbed it. That one made me the most money and gives me the most passive income at the moment.
Can you tell me how much it earned you?
It's about 1,300 a month.
What about,
profit.
what did you add to it value-wise?
Oh, in terms of value, about 110, 120 grand. Yeah.
It's a decent deal, isn't it?
Yeah, it's worth spending.
It's a very, very good one. What's your end goal?
End goal. All right. My initial end goal was to get to a passive income stream of about 150k, which I've done. So now my new goal is to get to probably 31 properties. So I'll have rental income coming in one day of the month, every day of the month. Yeah. So I'm close to that now.
So you wake up every day.
Exactly.
Bang, 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 bang. That's what you want to see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Never heard that one. I love that.
Yeah.
Okay, I like
So I've achieved my main goals already. That's why I started to do mentoring, helping people on Clubhouse. So I've achieved my main goals already. So it's kind of I'm looking for new fulfillment now.
that. Okay.
Because it gets a bit boring kind of thing.
Well, that's good because my next question is, what's your motivation?
Well, helping people to learn
that your main
property.
thing?
Yeah. Because from my teaching background, I've always helped people with the maths. I'm teaching them maths.
Yep.
But when you're teaching them maths, you also help them about, you're more like a social worker as well. So you help them about life and
It always leads on to something.
exactly. Yeah.
So a lot of people who watch what we do as people, they say, "Oh, why'd you do that? Why'd you do education? Why'd you do things like that?" When you have a certain amount of money or a certain amount of income, it's nice to be able to do certain things like
Just
that.
give
Also,
back and
your
help.
time needs to be paid for.
Yeah.
It's just the way it is. But yeah, I like that. Crypto, favorite coin?
ETH.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, you made a lot of money from it.
Not a lot, but I made some money from it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Keep or sell your assets?
Keep.
Favorite colour?
Lilac.
Lilac. Favorite person on YouTube? And it can be anything. Your
On
go-to
YouTube?
channel?
You know what?
You're gonna put you in trouble again?
No, I know what. Well, no. The person I watch the most is probably Yanni. You know Yanni
Yep,
from
yeah,
Yanni
yeah,
Minds?
of
Yeah,
course.
he does the cars. I
He
watch
rapped
him
a
the
car
most.
for me.
Oh,
I
yeah?
had an alright rap from him in
Okay.
2016, I think.
Yeah. So I'm always watching him. Second, probably Daniel Louisi,
Yep,
which is his
Asheville.
friend, Asheville. Yeah,
Yep.
I watch them every week. Obviously, I'm watching you every week as well now.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, those ones. Oh yeah, I'm watching the cars, Urban.
Yeah, Urban.
Yeah.
Yep.
Automotive. I watch them weekly as well.
I
The thing is-
had one off them as well.
Yeah, put the Urban kit on it.
2018. Yeah, I
Yeah,
bought one
yeah.
from them. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Pretty cool.
they're good. But the thing is, there's not as many people that bring out stuff weekly.
Yeah.
That's the issue. So it's like a series basically. They're like EastEnders or
Yeah.
Made in Chelsea. Yeah. So
Well,
they-
YouTube's taken over TV.
Yeah, I know.
People are watching
I know.
YouTube more.
Yeah,
So,
true.
So it's good. It's
Yeah.
good. Favorite film?
You got Man on Fire with
What a
Denzel
great
Washington.
film.
Yeah.
What a great
Yeah,
film.
yeah.
I'm a Training Day fan as well.
Yeah,
I love
yeah.
Training Day. Favorite actor or actress?
Denzel Washington.
Yeah.
But it was Nicolas Cage before. Because
Yeah.
someone back in the day I had a lot of DVDs. I mean, I'd Gone in 60 Seconds. When I had Con Air,
Face Off.
Face Off. I mean, someone said to me, "Oh, you got all these DVDs with Nicolas Cage in it. You must love him." I said, "Oh yeah." Like,
Yeah.
I didn't even realise.
Yeah, I'm a big I'm a big Nicolas Cage fan. I do like him. What are you watching right now?
Oh, you know what? Because I've got the missus there as well.
Yep.
I had to watch Married at First Sight Australia.
Okay. Okay.
But that was alright, you know.
Okay.
That was alright.
Are you
I've
just saying
also
that
watched-
because you know she's going to watch this and she's back at the office?
No. That wasn't too bad actually. And I also watched what's it called? Something Anna? Inventing Anna.
Oh, yeah.
On Netflix. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's quite good actually. She
think
just
a few
faked
people
it
have said
till
that.
She made it. Yeah.
Yeah, I think a few people have said that. Thoughts on the property market right now?
I know people say there's going to be a crash coming soon, but like Robert Kiyosaki and some of the others, blah, blah, blah. But at the moment, I don't really feel it. The conditions are getting there. High inflation, interest rates are rising, supply in terms of, lack of supply, should I say. But I don't really feel that there's going to be a crash just yet
Okay.
or a correction. I reckon probably maybe a year and a half, maybe 2 years max, then things will start to change. But I reckon the conditions are brewing.
Yep.
But it's not going to happen this year, in my
Okay.
opinion.
Well, that's what it's all about, opinions.
Yeah.
So-
But when you're in the market, it's easier to get a feel of the market. But if you're looking in from the outside, when you see BBC News and, I don't know, the Standard, etc., they always write about the market's about to crash or it's in tipping edge or blah, blah, blah. But if you're actually in it,
Yep.
like we've been doing it for years and we're buying regularly, you get to feel that sense of, something's not right here.
Yeah, and it doesn't feel like that, does it?
No.
That's what I say as well.
Yeah.
But if you put your opinion out there and it happens, people are going to call you out on it.
No,
so
I know.
you're brave there. You're a lot braver than me. And finally,
Yeah.
what's your piece of advice or inspiration you can give to somebody who's starting out on the journey, who's watching this?
In terms of property,
Yep.
just go for your goals. Set some form of plan if you can. So just start off small. You might not have much money in your bank, whether it's 5 grand, 10 grand or less than that. Work off some, just devise some sort of plan, whether it's dual sourcing, rent to rent or lease option agreements, just to get some passive income coming in. Dual sourcing, for example, 3 grand a month you can make if you get 2, 3, 4 of them. That can bring you to another level in terms of buying a flat or a house outside London, 50 grand, 60 grand, 70 grand. So write down your goals on a piece of paper, devise small short-term plans, a year, 3 years, 5 years, and then push it forward that way. And if you get stuck, obviously you've got mentors like myself, yourself, courses you can do as well if need be. But use all the free material that's out there. And if you get stuck, go to a mentor.
Okay. Yeah. Great advice. 30 questions, over and out.